Hey food lovers, 5 crazy good chocolate mug cakes in just 1 minute. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment and hit that subscribe button on Jarif's Kitchen for more viral treats. Let's get started.
Craving a cake? I've got 5 mind-blowing cake recipes you can make in just 60 seconds. Let's dive in. 1 chocolate mug cake mix. 4 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons sugar. Add 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons oil, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Microwave for 60 seconds. Done. 2 vanilla sponge cake. Beat 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons sugar. Add 4 tablespoons flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, vanilla. Bake it at 180 Celsius for 10 minutes. Soft and fluffy. 3 Red Velvet Cupcake mix. 3 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon cocoa. Add 3 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon oil, red color. Microwave for 70 seconds. Perfect. 4 banana oats cake mash. 1 banana, 3 tablespoons oats, 2 tablespoons honey. Add 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Microwave 90 seconds. Healthy and tasty. 5 Oreo Cake. Crush 10 Oreos. Add a 1/2 cup milk, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Microwave 1 minute. The easiest cake ever. Which one will you try first? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more quick recipes. Still craving cakes? Here's another 5 viral cakes you can make in under 1 minute. 1. Apple cinnamon mug cake. 4 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons chopped apple, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons oil. Microwave 60 seconds. Warm, fruity, and cozy. 1 strawberry mug cake. 4 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons strawberry puree, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons oil. Microwave 60 seconds. Sweet and juicy. 1 chocolate lava cake. 4 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. 1 egg, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons oil. Microwave 60 seconds. Gooey surprise inside. 1 mango mug cake. 4 teaspoons flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons mango puree, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons oil. Microwave 60 seconds. Tropical treat. 1 5 peanut butter mug cake. 4 tablespoons flour, 2 sugar, 2 cups peanut butter, 3 tablespoons milk, 1 egg. Microwave 60 seconds. Nutty and rich. Which one will you bake today? Comment and hit that subscribe button for more delicious 60-second recipes. Can't get enough cake? Here are 5 more viral cake recipes you can whip up in under a minute. 6 coffee mug cake. Mix 4 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon coffee powder. Add 3 tablespoons milk, 2 teaspoons oil. Microwave 60 seconds. Coffee lover's dream. 7 carrot cake. Grate 1/2 carrot. Add 4 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons sugar. Add 1 egg, 2 tablespoons oil, and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Bake microwave 90 seconds. So good. 8 Nutella mug cake. 4 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons Nutella, 3 tablespoons milk, 1 egg. Mix well. Microwave 60 seconds. Gooey and perfect. 9 mug cake. 4 tablespoons flour, 3 teaspoons sugar, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons oil, and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Microwave 60 seconds. Fresh and zesty. Coconut cake. 4 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 desiccated coconut, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons oil, and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Microwave 60 seconds. Tropical delight. Which flavor do you want to try next? Comment and smash that subscribe button for more quick cake recipes.